Unit 1, Lab 2, page 3. On this page, you will edit the word lists used by the sprites and debug any problems. Step 1. Open your Unit 1, Lab 2 Gossip project, if you haven't already. Edit these 3 reporter blocks to change the phrases that the program uses. See the instructions in the block below. Be creative and funny, but thoughtful. Click here for a video of these steps, but I'm going to show you right now. I can find the blocks here, or I can find them at the bottom of the red palette here. Either place, I'm going to hover over the block, right-click, and select Edit. Remember, pause this video frequently to catch up. I see that this is a list that is reporting a random item in the list, so I can type over these and put them in, put names of my own choosing, like Elijah, Madison, or Rhoda. Okay, so pause the video and do that for the who block. Now go into does what, edit that with actions like punched or went to dinner with. Remember, these are things that are going to happen between two people. Finally, either from down here, you can find who to, or go to Sprite 2 and edit by right-clicking who to. So that would be another set of names. The names of your choosing. All right, here's some more information. You should read it. And I also have the questions on Classroom to reflect this information, and I will make notes videos. All right, step 2, make sure your program works. Test each block as well as the program as a whole. If something doesn't work, don't go on without fixing it. So I might click on this and make sure that it's behaving as pleased. Now I click on this and make sure that there's no, oh, looks like I spelled punched wrong. So I might go back in and fix that. Then there's a self-check question. One thing you might want to notice is that sometimes Sprite 1 has the action being done to the same person. That's because in the who block, the gossip block rather, who does what to who. So those two who's are selecting from the same list. So occasionally, randomly, it selects the same number. Step 4, adding a costume. Step 4, change the costumes to anything you like. Here are the steps for adding a costume. So I go to costume, and now I can go to the file menu and select costumes. The costumes won't show up in the file menu unless you're on the costumes tab. And I've got to select all these different items. And that's important. All right, now Sprite 1's got a costume. Now, if you don't like any of these costumes, you can also load something off the internet. So I've clicked Sprite 2, and now I'm going to go on the internet and select an image of my choosing. Once I found an image I like, I right-click on it, right-click on it and select Save Image As. I can change the name or leave it. When I press Save, it appears in the bottom of my browser screen down here. We'll cut off by the video. But Now all I need to do is drag that file into here. Now, it came out upside down. I'm not sure why. I'm now going to right click on it and edit it. Since it's upside down on the stage, I'm going to click this, and then when I press OK, it should be right side up. I'm going to right click again. I can make it smaller or bigger. And with this eraser tool, I can change the brush size and everything, but I can erase the background. Pretty cool. I could also go to the pen tool and do other sorts of editing. All right, I showed you how to do some editing from the costume and edit, but another way to edit your costume is from the scripts. You can use a set size block. You can change the position by using a go-to block, and you can change the direction of your sprite using point and direction, right? So that would be on the purple palette. Like I can make her smaller here. Back. Or, I could do these things. Now, right now, these sprites are draggable. See this here? Draggable. So you can actually just physically move them. But if that was not clicked, you would not be able to move them. And so this is something like you don't necessarily want your program sprites to be draggable in a program. So that's an option as well. And then you can mess around with these blocks. All right, so that's it for page 3. Make sure you save your work, okay? Save, 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 save.